Samsung has released an update for the Good Lock app for Galaxy smartphones, carrying 3.0 VoP 16.2. We have received the update on our Galaxy S25 running 1 UI 8.5 and Galaxy S26 running 1 UI 9.0.
To get the latest Good Lock update, go to the Galaxy Store. Tap the icon with 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen and select Updates.
Fixed an issue where Good Lock plugins could not be updated in certain environments.